Hi everyone, welcome to Tradeschool YouTube channel. Today, we see how to trade gold on Monday. Let's start the analysis now. Let's see the events. Today we have high impacting news in XAU Usd at 6:00 p.m. on Empire State Manufacturing Index. Currency pairs associated with USD have impact today. When we see DXYY, it was totally in bullish AL. When DXY in bullish, gold act as bearish, but gold was in bullish mode. Now because technical or fundamental want work during geopolitical event like war. From the chart we can see gold was totally in bullish. There is a breakout in parallel trend line in day candle. Gold can get down little bit lower for retracement and then possibilities to fly or move up. If gold get down, we can try our buy from the marked buy zone 1906 to 1910 with proper stop loss. We also marked our second buy zone or support area in the range of 1880 to 1885. We have marked the sell zone in the range of 1950 to 1958. We can sell gold in this range with proper stop loss. And our second resistance or sell zone was in the range of 1980 to 1985. Use appropriate lot size and strict stop loss for safe trades. All-time high for gold is 2074. If war persists for some more days, there is a chance for gold to reach this all-time high range 2074. Overall, we have marked 2 buy zone and 2 sell zone, and 2 sell zone, and 2 sell zone, so remember to trade according to this. Technical or fundamental want work during war period. Geopolitics play vital role in this. Plenty trades according to trend. Overall gold was in buy trend. If gold retraced down, we may buy in the ranges marked. Thank you for watching. Kindly share, like, comment and subscribe our channel for current update.